Sit in a comfortable but attentive position, on a chair or on a cushion in your own favorite position. Your hands are held against your body just below your belly button, palms faced up, and your little fingers are touching your body. Now rest the fingers of your left hand on top of the fingers of your right hand and the tip of your thumbs slightly touching, just enough so you could hold a very thin sheet of paper between them. Don't push, just touch them slightly. Your thumbs are a great indicator on what state your mind is during meditation. When you miss focus or concentration, or when you get sleepy, you may notice that the top of the thumbs are not touching each other. When you notice that there is tension between the tips of your thumbs, you probably are too tense or wound up in body and mind. Then loosen up a little and just let them touch each other. Now hold your head like there's a string on your crown of your head towards the sky. Your chin is somewhat to your chest. And now there's a straight line from the top of your head through your spine to your buttocks and the earth. One straight line. Now close your eyes or aim them relaxed, as if you were looking through your eyelashes at one point a meter in front of you. Now feel a warm rain descend on you, which relaxes your forehead, your face, your eyes, your jaws, your neck, your shoulders. You can, if you want, you can pull up your shoulders and then just let them drop to let go of all the tension. Just feel if there's any tension and try to soften it. Now relax. Feel your arms, your legs, your body. Feel how gravity pressures you towards the earth, into your cushion. And now you're getting aware of your breathing. In Zen we use breathing as an anchor because we always have our breath with us. We can meditate on our breath any place, anytime. Waiting for a bus, waiting in line in a shop, in bed, or during an exam. Inhale, slowly, with awareness. Exhale, slowly, with awareness. Can you focus on that moment of silence between inhalation and exhalation? Where do you feel your breath the most? Is it in your nose, in your belly? Just feel the sensation associated with breathing. From inhaling to the silence in between and exhaling. Follow your whole breath with your consciousness. Bring your attention there. Feel just that one breath without thinking about the next one. Just this one. You don't have to control your breath, just let it happen. Maybe you feel your breath high towards your throat, maybe low in your stomach. Maybe you feel it slowly dropping and going deeper into your belly. There's no wrong way. Don't try to force it. It's good as it is. Now start counting. Start counting your exhalations from 1 to 10 and then start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do it out loud, just in your mind. And maybe after the third breath you lost count by sensations in your body, sounds, thoughts, doesn't mind. Just start again. 1, 2. Your thoughts are like wild horses. See how they gallop past you. but you don't have to jump on. Look at them going. Then go back to your breathing. Or visualize yourself as a beautiful and strong mountain and let all thoughts and emotion pass by like clouds. They can't harm you, they just drift by. Never get angry with yourself if you don't succeed counting to 10. Be friendly, smile, and start over, beginning with 1, 2, 3. Just on, and if there are any thoughts, let them go and go back to your breathing. You can't do anything wrong. It's all about the intention to count till 10. It's no competition, there's no failure. Don't focus too hard, be gentle. Just mindlessly counting your breath. Always bring your attention back to your breathing and the sensation of your body sitting. Any thoughts, don't hang on to them, let them go, just count. You can be aware of sounds, of sensations in your body, of thoughts, but there's no need to do anything with them. Let them go. You don't have to change anything. Everything's fine. There is only this moment and you counting your breath. You can start with a 5-minute meditation and then works toward a 20-minute meditation in the days to come. In the beginning, maybe once a week, later on maybe more often. Find a peaceful place to meditate where you won't get disturbed. Find a good moment. This could be in the morning or just before going to bed in the evening, just what feels best for you. Don't force things. Be patient. And above all, be kind to yourself. Happy meditating.